Factory Marvel Thor Hammer tool set is a unique and stylish way to store your tools. The set is made of durable plastic and features a replica of Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. The hammer is molded in a realistic shape and features metal accents. The set includes a variety of tools, including a hammer, screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers. Pros: unique and stylish design, the set is sure to turn heads and make a statement. Durable construction, the set is made of durable plastic and can withstand everyday use. Versatile tool selection, the set includes a variety of tools to handle a variety of tasks. Officially licensed Marvel merchandise, a must-have for Marvel fans. Cons: some tools may be of lesser quality than name-brand tools. The hammer may be too bulky for some users. The Robe Factory Marvel Thor Hammer tool set is a great choice for Marvel fans and anyone looking for a unique and stylish way to store their tools. The set is durable, well-made, and includes a variety of tools to handle a variety of tasks. Consider your needs. If you need a set of tools for heavy-duty use or professional use, consider investing in a more expensive set with higher quality tools. Read user reviews. Look for feedback on real-world performance and durability to get a better sense of the Robe Factory's capabilities. Remember, the best tool set for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.